Hello and welcome to the channel. As you can see today I've got a very large box. This is the NAPA Evercraft 90-piece master socket set. It is SAE and metric and the code is 7750190. Chrome vanadium alloy steel for strength and long life, triple chrome plated, lifetime guarantee. There isn't actually much information other than that on the box, just more pictures. So let's have a look. This box is very tatty. I have already opened it up because it came like this, not sealed. So I was just making sure that everything that should be in there is in there. So inside we've got two smaller boxes. This is a very heavy set. Let me just get these out of the way. Get rid of this monster of a box. It was a bit disappointing that you didn't get any socket rails or foam or anything else in it. It's just literally two boxes full of sockets and ratchet handles. So let's have a look in the first one. We've got the metric half-inch, metric quarters. These are the SAE long, they're the deep sockets, and they're the SAE short sockets. Now I probably won't use these. They go right up to 1 1/4, quite a big socket. Probably won't use those. I tend to stick with metric, that's all I need. So I'll probably end up selling these ones as they are, so I won't open the bag for those. So in this box we have the 3/8 metrics, extensions and screwdriver handle, and the ratchet handles. So let's quickly open these up. Ooh, nice shiny new. Something sticky on that, but never mind, I'll clean that off. This is the quarter, only quite small. Let's have a look. It's around 14 centimeters, which is a bit bigger than the Teng one I got the other day. Ratcheting with a little switch there, quite a positive switch to swap direction, and it's quick release as well. Quite a nice little well made tool. Just says Evercraft Taiwan on there. Quite nice. I've just noticed it does have some little holes in each side of that. I'm assuming that's for oiling. I don't know what else that would be for. Yeah, you can see that's where the little ratcheting device hooks on to the wheel, but yeah, little oiling holes. So that's the quarter. The 3/8 again, exactly the same, just bigger, and it has Evercraft CRV Taiwan, same handle, same switch, just a little bit bigger, and quick release. And again, this has got two holes, one each side, I'm assuming for oiling. Nice positive switch. These are very well made, these triple chromed ratchet handles and sockets. I know the shape is similar to others, but I really do like them. Growing my ratchet handle collection even bigger. And this is the biggest of all. This is the 1/2 inch with exactly the same switch on as the other two, just a bit bigger again. Still got the two oil holes, quick release, ratcheting. I think these are 72 teeth. I don't think it actually says on the box. So quarter, 3/8. Nice set. So looking in this bag, we have, it looks like we've got all the extensions, and these are spark plug sockets. Okay, so a couple of spark plug sockets. Each one has got Evercraft Taiwan on it. This is Evercraft Taiwan, really deep stamped. This is a 1316 CRV Taiwan, very well made. Corners are all rounded out there, so you get the power delivered to the flat part of the nut. Very well finished. What's this one? This is the 1/2 inch extension and the 3/8 extension, and then we've got a long as well. So you have a long and a short for the 3/8. Screwdriver handle. It says NAPA Evercraft Taiwan. This is actually, I did a video on the NAPA Evercraft screwdriver set. This is actually exactly the same, other than instead of Taiwan on the screwdriver set, it actually says China. So I don't know why these are made in Taiwan and the others are made in China. They're exactly the same. Very strange. Look into that. We've got longer extension for the 3/8, and then the biggest one of all is the 1/2. That's a big old beauty, that. Huge, it weighs an absolute ton. Quick release. So, halves, and then you've got your 3/8, and then you've got your 1/4. Very nice, very well made, and very shiny. What's in this one? Some sockets. These are the 3/8 sockets. Again, Evercraft and Taiwan. These seems to be a mixture of metric and SAE. Ah, right, okay. Right, so that's a metric one. So these are 12 points. Yeah, they're all 12 point. So what I'm going to have to do is sort out all the metrics, put them to one side, and then I'll sort out all the SAE, put them to one side, and then they'll be the ones I'll sell or give away possibly. But these are absolutely really nice sockets and handles, very well made. Finish on them is absolutely perfect. And you've got the small ones, 1/4 inch, and got the 1/2 inch, the big ones. So these seem to be all, are they all millimeters? Yeah, these are all metric. I don't know why they've done that then. They've mixed, the 1/2 inch are separated, but the 3/8 aren't. So you got long and short in both. Nice big socket set. Like I said, absolutely fantastic finish on them. Every single one has a fantastic finish. Perfect Evercraft 24mm CRV Taiwan, 12 point socket. They fit really well. Nice big clunky 1/2 inch. Everything's nice and firm, nice and positive. Got ball bearing on the end of the extension as well. Inside the socket they have a little notch in each side, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in, the ball bearing should always lock in nicely. There's very little play in that at all, it's really tight. Let's see what it's like on the socket. No play in that at all. No, that's fine. Really nice. So this set was £66. I got this off Whatnot in an auction. Now, I haven't seen them that cheap online anywhere else. I think the cheapest I've seen them is eBay, and on eBay you can get them for about £100, £99, something like that for this master socket set. It is a very large set, 90 piece, and it's a great starter set for anybody. I suppose you've got absolutely everything you need. You've got each size ratchet handle, you've got each size extensions. I don't really know what else you would need. What I did notice is that it's a different ratchet handle to the one that I reviewed the other day. This is the Evercraft. It was in a set, small socket set, and this is the 3/8, and it is actually a completely different ratchet. It's longer, it's got a different head on it, different switch on it, doesn't have quick release, it's quite a lot thicker, as you can see. So this is going to be better for getting into smaller areas. So I don't know why they've used a different one for a different set. The sockets are exactly the same. The sockets in the other set are really nice as well. Probably the best sockets I've ever seen. This has a chrome finish and then it's a satin finish on the switch. This does have thumb wheel on it. This one obviously doesn't. And this one has quick release. Sound about the same. Yeah, really nice. I'm happy with those. Still don't know why they've used a different one, but maybe there's a reason for it. I don't know. Anyway, there you have it. The NAPA Evercraft Master Socket Set. I'm going to get all these out, have a good look at them all, line them all up, separate the metric from the SAE, and like I said, I'll probably sell them or give them away because it's not something I use. But this set, the metric set, absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe. It's free, helps the channel, and when we get big enough, 100 subscribers maybe, I'll start giving away tools or do competitions. Thanks for watching. Bye.